Now I would like to introduce for you very nice, simple, special fried rice with turmeric powder. Here is chicken. The thing we need here: chili sauce, fish sauce, sugar, sauce, soy sauce, fried spice, turmeric powder, black pepper, capsicum, garlic chives, chili, onion, pineapple, some cauliflower, carrots, and green capsicum. So the first thing right now we do is I will mix up some garlic and chili. And chop some nice chilies. With some capsicum. Dash it up smaller. Some green capsicum. And also dash it up as well. Then onion. Chop enough small pieces too. Some pineapple. Chop small pieces too. Some garlic chives. And now I prepare some carrot as well. Right, all the ingredients have already. Now I got chicken. Chop them up, whole thing. Okay, all the chicken has been well chopped now. All everything ready. First thing I will do right now, I got oil, a little bit oil into the wok. Moving on around. Then I got garlic and chili I chopped before inside. Stir it nice until you got nice smelling color. Chicken inside. Stir until the chicken cook. Add everything inside except the garlic chive. Carrot, onion, pineapple, capsicum, all inside and put them well. Now, I need 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and pinches of fried spice. Mix well gently. And keep going to stir. In another wok right now, I got oil inside a little bit. Move it around. To make it nice smelling, I need a little bit garlic inside here. Inside. And stir as well. While I'm waiting, I got an egg. Egg we have in the rice, not sticky on the pan. Just stir with the egg. Got the garlic, got nice smelling. I put the egg inside. And stir as well. Then I put the rice inside. This rice you have to steam and try to put on the refrigerator few hours before you do it, so that we can very nice and safely. Okay. Now we season it again with 3 teaspoons of fish sauce. Three teaspoons of sugar and 3 teaspoons of soy sauce. Stir nicely together. Got good. Let's transfer everything on the wok right now in and toss gently together. Then, now all the onion and garlic try inside. Right, now put everything on the plate right now. To make it look nicer, we can put back on the bowls before. The outside. And press it down, stronger. Alright, now we got a bowl here. Try to put on the center and the outside. Got a beautiful chicken. Then put some coriander all around there nicely with a beautiful chili flower on the middle. We got a beautiful special fried rice with turmeric and spicy sauce. Enjoy your time. Thank you.